It's very amazing. Today, on the 9th of May 2023, we also got inside this Hakolahdentie vägen. Building for Stekisei. We have done the Stekisei here before. This is also here in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. Here in Lauttasaari, we still have a total of just 12 elevators left to be filmed here as soon as possible. This was also built in 1959, turning 65 years old in the next year, 2024. We expected this year, in 2023, this number is 8020. Let's get to yours here. Only this panel should have been also in Swedish.
Yeah.
But the rest of the panels are in both official languages.
Mm.
Probably finished in late 1959 because it has the M6 interior.
Yeah. Hyvä expected maintained by Spanissi.
I love the smell in here.
Same here.
Is this also the last MP4 elevator that we're filming in Lauttasaari?
Yeah.
I think it is.
Yeah.
And also, the screw is different. It's a spare part. But the rest are original. Like to the first floor. I think I'll go and check the levels.
Yeah. That's